I'm Josh with Prescott and Sons. Here we go again with an updated video on one of our projects here in North Augusta. Just a quick walkthrough. What was supposed to be just a bathroom update, kitchen update has turned into a lot more. Before, there was a drop down floor here with an extra entry door leading out to the front. Didn't make much sense, but walls gone. Kitchen's completely gone now. We shift some walls around. We're doing a full rewire, new plumbing, new electrical, HVAC, the whole 9 yards. So we'll have an open concept for a breakfast kitchen area. Bedrooms are being updated, new insulation, electrical, full guest bath renovation. Extended the mid bedroom to create a bigger bedroom for a master suite. His and her closets. Happens all the time. That's the advantage of hiring a renovating contractor.